So in the last 2 weeks, well, maybe the last 15, 16 days, maybe 16 days or 17 days, I've been all raw. Except maybe in the last half of that, I've been around 6 days or 7 days, maybe 6 days or 6.5 days, all fruits. So I'm doing intermittent dry fasting every night now, starting like not last night but the night before. I actually am filtering, so that's good. Filtration is very important because you allow lymphatic waste, your cellular metabolism, as well as just general toxins and pollutants, which are stored in your sewer system, which is 2/3 of all the bodily fluids. Well, 2/3, double the blood approximately. It's very important. So that's related to like stuff like tumors, cancer, illnesses, cysts, polyps, fibroids, just general mayhem in the body. So the medical industry don't tell you this, but it's really important to filter. So go and join my Facebook group below. Join me on Facebook. Um, Make sure you tune in for more videos on health, holistic living, body, mind, spirit. I'd love to connect with you. Make sure you get on board, and do join me for an orange or a grape juice or melon cleanse.